Hello all, welcome to Jab. This is another video in the Learner's Launch series of programming. Till our previous video, we have saw all the basics needed for C programming. Now let's see the sample program that we saw last time and see what all it consists and how it works. Okay, so let's get into today's video. A program is a set of instructions to be executed sequentially to obtain a desired result. In a program, we may contain functions. This is also a set of code which is used to carry out a small task. C programs are made up of functions. A program cannot be written without a function. A function is of two types, user-defined function or say predefined function. Okay, let's see this with an example. On your screen, hash include studio.h, main, and then a brace, printf, hello world. We discussed this program in our series as well in the last week. Now this program will execute and print the statement hello world, which is the expected output of this program. Okay, we say that a C program is made of functions, and what are those in this program and what is the type of the function? Is it user defined or is it predefined? The identification of a function is as easy as you identify a statement whether we have a bracket or not. That is a function. So here we have two such statements, one main and then an open bracket and a close bracket, and then printf open bracket and a closed bracket. Main is the user defined function, and remember that in C the first executable statement is the main function, or we can say like the control of the program is first transferred to this function, and this is called the entry point. And what is printf? Well, this is a predefined function. What does that really mean? Is nothing but the C compiler has some functions that are already written and compiled in a file. To access these files, we use preprocessor directives, which we will see in the upcoming videos. As of now, we'll see where it is. Means, where is the printf function present? Well, that is in the header file studio.h, which is the standard input-output header file. In order to use some frequently used block code, C compilers, not only C, all programming language compilers will have this predefined function. Speaking about studio.h file in the C compiler, this will have all the functions, that is small set of codes that can be reused by calling it again and again. The printf is one among the functions that is present in studio.h. Please have a look at this code snippet of this function as shown here. This is a GCC version. Int, printf, character constant format, then va listarg, int done, va underscore stat, done equal to vf printf internal, va end, and return done. This has variable arguments which we will cover later. As of now, keep in mind that we can pass as many arguments as possible in this printf function. You can see this again calls another function, so it keeps on call the function underlying and get the values to be printed and instructs the computer to do so. And the functions are also called as function and called functions based on functionality. Here main is the calling function and printf is the called function. The naming itself conveys what is it in short. We call the printf function in our user-defined function main, which is calling printf. Well, what happens if we don't give the header and straight away give printf? And obviously there will be an error. Let's see another line to see the importance of the header file. Look at this piece of code. Include studio.h, include conio.h, main, bracket open, clr scr, printf, and bracket close. As you can see in the screen, we added a new predefined function and a new preprocessor line. The clr scr is used to clean the screen and use it for printing. This is a predefined function present in conio.h. If you don't give that header, then compiler can't compile that function and expects the programmer to define it. We don't need to talk about all the header files and its predefined functions. We will see only the most used ones, and that is enough for coding. Well then, that's it in this video. We'll meet you in the next video.